ENHYPEN, Bad Desire, With or Without You. What are these eyes? Whose eyes are these, bruh? English captions on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
Did you really think I could just stand by and watch you disappear?
Nope. I can't deal with what the hell you whispering in my ears like some. It sounds like a murderer that's about to like. Who is this? This is Nikki. This is Nikki.
Did you really think I could just stand by and watch you disappear?
Nah, that sounds like a demon. That sounds like a demon. That sounds like my sleep paralysis. That's my sleep paralysis demon right there.
I told myself.
Oh my God.
For you, it's hard. Always be toward the darkness. It was your own desire.
What in Jesus? I need Jesus. Give me Jesus. Okay. It's an interesting intro already. Oh, okay. So some of the chat told me it sounded like Justin Timberlake's Mirrors. I kind of hear it a bit. Yes. Ooh. Oh, we wall running? Bro, what is this production? Oh, they're fighting. Whoa, the eyes. Oh, the vocaloids on the voice. Oh, who is this? Dang, you saw it, Nikki? Sorry. Oh, let me shut up. Oh my God. They're vampires, no? Oh, where you going? Oh. Why does it remind me of that one TikTok? That one TikTok of like somebody, you know, like the movie Sinners, where like you can't invite them in if they can't go in and get you if you don't invite them, but if they start singing to you like this, no, I won't let you in. Just open the door. What the hell? Oh, this looks like the outfits looking different. What are these outfits? What? God, this has to be in the comic book, the webtoon. Whoa. All your what? Deepest what? All your bad desires? You gonna get people to Lulu. Nah. Oh, thanks for following. Nah, you gonna get people to get to Delulu and then thinking about things. Oh. Whoa. What the hell? I already know people are gonna be more Delulu after this. What are you doing in hype? And what are you doing? Interesting. What the hell? First of all, they had me at the first half. What the hell is this?
Did you really think I could just stand by and watch you disappear?
I don't know if I could survive that if somebody whispered to me like that. I'd be scared a little bit. I'm not gonna. I might have tinkled a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. No, not TMI.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1 to support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.